Welcome back to EatSleepYangon channel. Today I'm in Yaw Min Gyi Street, and then I will bring you to really interesting places and really nice places around here. So why don't you follow me? The first place we are going to visit is Danny Cafe, which is behind me, and it's located at the corner of Burmese Street and Yaw Min Gyi Street. And as you can see, the weather is really hot, so I will get inside and something that can cool me down. Let's go. The weather is really hot outside. Now I'm gonna order something that makes me cool down, and let's see. Okay, I'm gonna order the one that I really like, which is Falooda. Actually Falooda is the Burmese favorite dessert, especially in summertime. It's a wonderful dessert ever. So as you can see, it includes all of the ingredients like ice cream, poutine, and jelly, milk, and all the sweet ingredients together in one cup. So I mean, it's wonderful. So if you are in Myanmar, and you should definitely try that one, and it's wonderful. You will see it's wonderful. This dessert is really sweet. You might think like it's like a milkshake, but it's better than milkshake because it got ice cream in it and also jelly, which make it's chewy, and actually the jelly doesn't have any flavor, but it makes the dessert more beautiful and more nice because since jellies are so chewy. So I recommend you to try this dessert when you are in Myanmar. I strongly believe that if you want to know history, culture, and tradition of a country, you can observe through the art of that country. So as you can see, this is the Chin ethnic group, and this is the Chin woman. In this gallery, there is a special exhibition by the artist Monyo, and then let's go and see. The collection of the painter Monyo It's all about the famous tourist attraction places, especially in Mandalay and Bagan region. This one is from Mandalay region, and which is Ubin Bridge. And then as you can see, the color combination and the combination of nature and the famous place is really nice. So if you want to get this one, it's only 1,000 US dollar, and all of its collections are around 1,000 US dollar. Now I'm here at the jungle massage, and if you are been walking for so long and you are so tired, and if you're looking for some place to relax, I suggest you to this place. That's gonna be a very nice place for your relaxation time. Come on, let's get inside. Actually, I've been tired and stressed up along my weekday, and my neck is really hurting, so I'm gonna try neck massage. And then the prices here in Jungle Spa is reasonable. It starts from $4,000 checks and up to 20,000. I feel really nice. I feel really good and relaxed after my massage. Actually, I'm hungry a bit, so I'm inside the Yangon food, which is Vietnamese restaurant, and I'm gonna try pho. Actually, it is a Vietnamese traditional soup, so I'm gonna try that one. One of the best things about Vietnamese food is they are generous with vegetable and herbs. So if you want healthy food, you can try this one. Here is my order. As you can see, there is plenty of meat and plenty of herbs. So plus, because of the generous owner, we got special treat, which is Vietnamese coffee, and it looks delicious, or how can I say, it looks really cool. Let me put in some green sprouts. Oops. First, let me taste the soup. The soup is really nice. It's a little bit sweet because of the, I think because of the meat, and it tastes really nice. The noodle is flat and it tastes really soft. Okay, now now I'm gonna try the Vietnamese spring roll, which is that I got as additional treat, and I'm gonna try this. It includes mint, so I can smell the mint smell is really strong. Yeah, it got like noodles and lettuce and mint and prawn. So the previous one that we have tried is fresh one, and now I've got the deep fried spring roll. This is the chicken one. Now I'm gonna try with sauce. Spring roll and the sauce are the perfect match ever.
If you want like hot, now you try. If you want ice, you push that.
Oh, sure.
Please enjoy.
Thank you. Personally, I've never tried Vietnamese coffee before, so that is my very first time, and then let's see how does it taste. It's a bit bitter, and then I can really feel the taste of coffee, real coffee. I hope you enjoy my day off on Yaw Min Gyi Street. If you like this video, you might probably like this video and this too.
Yeah.